Morning. Daksh Electrical Engineering and the Civil Service Academy welcomes you for the current affairs of 31st August 2021. Here we are going to discuss the current affairs in the format of the MCQ of the 31st August 2021 for upcoming UPSC and state PSC and other government examination. Okay. So, and my other initiative, like the electrical engineering related subject, we are teaching for your upcoming IES examination and even at civil service examination or a state PSC examination or IES All India Engineering Services examination related topics. So, please visit my channel and learn this important course. So, here one important instruction for you. Suppose that here we are going to discuss the current affairs of 31st August in the format of MCQ with some static portion also included here. So here if you correct suppose that 0 to 3 question, then your preparation is below the average level, and I think you should require too much hard work to improve your correct of the question level up to the 0 to 5. Suppose that you are correcting 0 to 5, then it may be possible that a chance of the selection in the prelims of any government examination that 50-50. But suppose that you have corrected about the 7 to 8 question, then you are assured that definitely you got selected in the prelims examination, but your effort continue to achieve your goal. So without wasting the time, start the discussion. Here my first question is that which of the following is correct about the territorial water. Here there is a certain initiative started by the China that decided to 9 dash line area here all their territorial water. Okay, so there is a dispute because here this is the Malacca Strait and this is the Andaman Sea. Suppose that all sea and trade that going through the Malacca Strait and the South China Sea with the Japan, Russia, and even at USA. So if China declared this all area is the territorial sea, then definitely all the sea entering this area then taken the permission of China. Otherwise, China can take action on the ship, and due to that, whole world order or even at start the third world war due to this initiative of the China. Here there is a lots of the problem in the South China Sea. Even at Philippines, exclusive zones also contained by the China, and Vietnam exclusive zones also contained by the China. Due to that, I think arises a dispute a lots of in the future. So here our question is that about the territorial water. Here this is the baseline. After baseline 12 nautical mile, that is called the territorial water. Okay. So here and total the area inside this is the water body, but as similar land right and the similar land right in the water body here of the state or nation. So here area under 12 nautical mile from the baseline, it's a correct statement. And here this is not 14 nautical mile, it's a 12 nautical mile from the baseline, and area outside the 12 nautical mile, it's incorrect option, and here none of the above. So option A is the correct here. So here option A is the correct. Our next question is that which of the following is correct about the territorial water. So actually first question is that one line question, but this is the actual UPSC based question. So all activity regulated in the 12 nautical miles like a land, definitely it's a correct option, because the same right applicable on the land and the water up to the 12 nautical mile from the baseline of the nation. And our next option is that here one is the correct option. So one is the correct, it means that option B is eliminated here by going the elimination method. Our next statement, it is also called the land right in the sea, definitely it's a correct option. Here option 2 is correct, it means that option 2 is correct, it means that there is no elimination because 2 in all 4 options. So move to the next statement, it is guarded by the Indian Coast Guard, it's an incorrect statement. So here 3 is incorrect, it means that B, C and D is incorrect, so option A is here correct. So here option A is the correct option. Our next question is that which of the following is correct about the China new territorial water policy. So actually 3 to 4 question I have framed for you of the this particular dispute, and I think this is a most a hot topic in the world international relation, and even at a lots of the country involved in this area. So and this is the important topic for UPSC also. Due to that, I have included this all things in the MCQ. So China declare whole South China Sea as their territorial water. It's a correct option here. I have already told you. So option A1 is correct. It means statement one is correct. It means that option B is eliminated here. So and another statement is that according to the China new territorial water policy, area include outside the 9 dash line. It's an incorrect statement because here 9 dash line it means that there is a 9 line. Okay, and here Philippines, here Vietnam, here Malaysia, and here China, here Taiwan, here Japan. There is a three island. So 9 dash line it means that the 9 line and this whole area is the territorial sea declared by the China, not outside. So here option second is incorrect. Here statement 2 is incorrect. It means that B, C and D is incorrect, and option A is correct here. And if you not read the next statement and you go forward, because here your answer is coming on your hand, but we are reading the next question. Sorry, next statement. China follow the United Nations rules for the sea. It's an incorrect option because China avoid these things, because if China declare the United Unclosed Law, United Nations for the sea, then the territorial water is up to the 12 mile. But here I think say 7 or 800 kilometer from the China mainland. So here China not follow the United Nations rules for the sea, and China is also a permanent member of the P5 group. Due to that, any dispute between the nation argument in the front of the United Nations General Assembly, or the whole peacekeeping or war or peace related decision taken by the P5, that is the permanent member here, UK, France, Russia, China, and United States. Here China is also present there. Due to that, if anybody raise this concern, then all P5 having the certain voting right and they put down matter. So there is a out hand, there is this matter is out of the hand from the United Nations. So this is the situation like the Second World War type, like same as Germany unilaterally attack or unilaterally develop their arms, and United Nations that time also failure, and same situation happened, and this is the starting point of the World War Third. And there is a certain grouping here. G4 is formed for the containing the China in the South China Sea, and also one belt one road initiative of the China. But at the same time, China also formed the group like the China, Pakistan, Russia, and Taliban. There is a I think all another nation also included here. So there is a G4 nation, and there is a also this is whole world divided into two group in future, and there is a concern for the peace and prosperity of the whole the world. So here option A is the correct here, and I have already told you, and I think discuss I think all related topic included the South China Sea territorial dispute here. So our next question is that which of the following is correct about the South China Sea? So here, total trade volume from the South China Sea is almost the $10 trillion. It's an incorrect statement. Here, $5 trillion, $5 trillion is the correct option. So here, I think it's too much, and I think the total South Asian country having the $10 trillion. So it is too much quantity. So if you reading this statement, then easy to eliminate it. So here one is incorrect. Okay. So here statement one is incorrect. It means that by going the elimination method, we can phase out the option C here. Okay, because one is incorrect. Sorry. One is incorrect. It means that option A is eliminated, option B is eliminated, and option D is eliminated, and automatically in your hand a right choice option C you have. but we are going to reading the next statement. India trade via the South China Sea having the 50%, more than 50%, definitely almost the 55% trade via the South China Sea, India and USA and Japan and even at Russia. So this is the correct statement here. And our third statement is that it is the most important for India and USA trade, definitely, because this is the Malacca Strait, this is the Andaman Sea, and this is the South China Sea, and our all the here India, all the cargo ship that going from this way to Russia, Japan, and the United States. Due to that, if China take unilaterally action, then this route is hampered, and due to that, start the war, and this is the initiation of the third world war. So here option C is the correct option, and we will look that situation in the future, and if came in your newspaper, then definitely I will have discussed. So our next statement is that which of the following is correct about the P5? So here P5 is the permanent member of the United Nations Security Council, and it's Russia, UK, and France, and USA, and China. So here, if you clear your the thought or theory about this P5, then easy to eliminate it. Here, India is not a member. India is not a member. India is not a member. So UK, China, Russia, France, and USA. Here, option D is the right choice. Option D is the right choice. Please comment what is the G4. Please comment. Actually, G4 is the grouping of the nation, that is India, Brazil, Germany, and Japan. All are advocating to expand the United Nations Security Council and expand for their veto power, and due to that there is a more stability in the world, and also there is a good level of the peace and prosperity came, because suppose that these are the five nations, but at the present time Russia, at the present time Japan, India, and Brazil are emerging, even at Germany are emerging country, and what the share in the United Nations Security Council. So if this thing is not happen, then in future it may be possible that the value of the United Nations degraded. Okay, so our next question is that if you want to go Japan via the sea route from India, which route you follow? So here Bay of Bengal is the right choice. Definitely Bay of Bengal is the right choice. Malacca Strait is the right choice. South China Sea is the right choice, and the East China Sea is the right choice. Here Andaman Sea or Bay of Bengal, that this is the Malacca Strait, this is the South China Sea, and this is the East China Sea, and here is Japan. Okay, so this is the route. So here option A is the correct here. Without going to read other option, here option A is the correct. Our next question is that according to the economic survey, which of the following is correct about the textile export in the world? So here textile export in the world, that is the leading exporter of the textile sector is that China. First is the China. Our second is that Bangladesh, our neighboring country. Third is that Indonesia, and fourth is that India. And here choose the correct option. China, Indonesia. Indonesia, it's the second. It's incorrect because Bangladesh is the second position. China, Bangladesh, Indonesia, and India. Here option B is the right choice. Okay, so option B is the here right. We are moving to the next question. Which of the following is the major issue related to the health and the safety of the textile sector? Here, this is a very broad question and open-ended question, so a lot of the things is correct here. But we are going to very scrutinized way to phase out the statement. Textile dust that harm the lungs, definitely it's a lots of the lungs related problem, and the lungs contraction and expanding is reduced due to the deposit of the dust on the lungs, and after that certain times lungs start the bleeding, and person having the fall in death. So here option statement 1 is the correct. So 1 is correct, it means that option D is eliminated here. Okay, here statement 2, there is a exposure of the chemical, definitely it's a correct option, exposure of the chemical. So here option A is eliminated, it means that B or C is only one is the correct here. Okay, so there is a huge noise pollution, definitely it's an incorrect option, because in textile sector not too much huge noise pollution. It's definitely a noise pollution, but in the limited level. Okay, so here option 3 is eliminated. It means that option B is the right choice. So definitely harm the environment is possible, definitely. So here option B is the right choice. Our next question is that what is the fundamental cause of the rise the textile sector in the Bangladesh as comparison to India? Here this is also a broad ended question, and it's related to the mains and even at interview. Sometimes ask the interview panel related to these things, because India is a textile hub in the past time, and India by and Bangladesh by forgetted from the India that a state like the Bihar, or even at suppose that it's a small state like the country, and this is the export sector is more than India. What is the code? This is the very important question in the economic section. Okay, because textile sector in India is the second most job providing sector in or even at MSME is included in textile sector. So here we read the option and phase out the read the statement and phase out the option here. There is a cheap labor force in the Bangladesh. Definitely, it's a right choice, because in Bangladesh, suppose that in India, one labor cost in the whole month is the 15,000. At the same time, in the Bangladesh, we have founded the 7,500 the whole month labor cost. So there is the half of the labor cost as comparison to India. So here statement 1 is the incorrect. It means that D and A is the eliminated here. So our next statement we have to read it. Boltak, there is a lack of the infrastructure in India as comparison to the Bangladesh. Definitely it's a right choice, because in the India I think old infrastructure, but Bangladesh I think a new infrastructure according to demand of the international market, and new technology and machine installed, and this all thing is installation on the near the seaport. Due to that, logistic cost is also low as comparison to India. So here option 2 is the right choice. So option B and C having the statement 2. So it is necessary to read the next statement. In India, export-led port is close to the cotton industry. It's an incorrect statement. In India, port-led cotton industry and port is the cotton industry, and the port is the too far distance away as comparison to Bangladesh. So this is the also a cause to transportation cost is increases here. So here option 3 is eliminated. It means that option C is eliminated. So option B 1, 2 and 4 is correct here. So but we are going to read the statement 4. In India, transportation cost is too high as comparison to Bangladesh. Definitely it's the right choice. So here option B is the right. Here option B is the right. Our next question is that this is the question number 10. What was the cause of the Hang Udham Singh? The Udham Singh, that is the revolutionary from the Punjab. During the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, I think 13th April 1990, that time General Dyer opened fire. The people collected at the Jallianwala Bagh, that is the close all side, and one there is a one open gate, and General Dyer, the mouth of the ammunition arms is that put on the one gate and start firing, and due to that I think 300 or 400 people death. And that time Udham Singh also working there for the providing drinking water to the people, that that is the assembly that place. So after this incident, Udham Singh I think saved his life, and after decided to anyway fire on the General Dyer, and the death happened death. So here murder of the General Dyer is the option A is the right here. Option A is the here right. And after that hung in the Britain, and recently Captain Amrinder Singh asked the foreign minister to their pistol and their diary of the Udham Singh, please take back from the UK to India, and this is a prestige matter. Okay, so here option A is the correct. And today thank you for watching this video, and I think I feel that, or I believe that this video is very helpful for your upcoming examination. But please like, share and subscribe, and share with your friends, and comment, and also comment your mark how much you have secure after the completing the video. So thank you.